Yeah, we fixing phones, Blackberries, any phone you want fixed. The genius at work watching. You know what I'm saying? Blackberry need to hire us. Hey yo, Blackberry niggas for hire.
Host.
This is a 30-second clip. No, we're gonna make it a minute clip. Put it up on YouTube. Get Ears Entertainment, nigga. Okay? You know about Get Ears Entertainment, homeboy? You don't know about it. Nobody don't really know about it right now. But we on the move. Feel me? When's the last time you seen that fucking phone, huh? Shit. Nigga! So we're gonna put this Blackberry to work and see what's popping. Come on, let's turn it on, let me see what's turn on.
No.
Alright man, this video is out man. Get your entertainment. We'll be back next time with another phone clip. Alright?